Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Iris, for those of you who do not know me. Today's video, I will show you guys how to use polygel. If you guys don't know what polygel is, it reminds me of a gel polish, but a really hard gel polish that almost looks like acrylics, but it also looks very, very natural. I guess that's the best way I can describe it. But you guys will see how easy it is to do and what perfect moment for you guys to do this, that you guys are at home, nail salons are closed, and you'll see how easy it is and how beautiful they turn out. Honestly, that's how I've been doing my nails the last couple of months, or I should say for like a year now. The video that you guys will be seeing, it's the first time I ever used polygel. So you guys will see how well I used it, how easy it was just by watching one YouTube video. And it helps. I will also link below the YouTube video that I watched and helped me a lot. So hopefully it's also helpful for you guys, but I hope you guys enjoy the video and let's go on to the video. This is how my nails used to look. As you can see, I have my previous acrylics on, which I will be removing off camera, but I just wanted you guys to see how they looked before because they weren't looking so hot. The first thing I noticed off this kit was these dual form nails. I'm assuming this is to get the shape of the nail correctly. It came with 3 different colors, which these are the darker tones. It also came with a nail filer and a little tool to get everything out of the tube, and also a brush. It also came with this clear solution. This is so the polygel does not stick to the brush and it's easy to move around. This one comes with a base polish, the top coat, and with 3 other lighter colors. It also comes with these gold shaping stickers, I think that's what they're called. The first thing is finding the perfect nail tip or dual form that will fit your nail and won't overlap too much and won't be too small. It's best for it to overlap than for it to be too small. The next thing would be to get the clear solution, put it in a container or on the cap just like I did. This just makes it very easy to just dip the brush in and continue to use it. It is very important to wet the brush and the metal part of the tool so the polygel does not stick. As you can see, it looks very tacky, and that's because I forgot to put the metal tool in the clear solution, so I had to dip it back in and do it again. All I am doing is placing the polygel on the dual form and start to play around with it until it looks perfectly. Keep in mind there is times that it will look kind of bumpy, but let it sit for a couple of minutes and it will become very nice and smooth. But if it looks very heavy in polygel, then definitely remove some. Honestly, it takes practice to get the right consistency, just because you'll see it go over, and well, it just honestly takes time, but it is super easy. I am trying to use every single color that came in this kit. There is only going to be one that I didn't end up using, but at least it gives you an idea to see if these are colors that you guys are interested in. One thing that I was very pleased with is that it is very pigmented, and I love that because a lot of polygel is kind of see-through, which is also very beautiful because it makes it look very natural. I wanted to get more of a close-up and show you guys how I basically mess around with a polygel to get it exactly where I want it to. Again, it's not always going to be perfect, but that's why we have the dual form to help us out. Now it's time to start prepping my nails. The first thing I'm going to do is remove all the shine by filing them, very lightly by the way. The base polish is very important. This is what ensures that the nail stays for a long time and it doesn't just pop off. I'm applying a very generous layer just to ensure that the poly gel sticks very well and that I don't have any issues once the nail is actually stuck. This polish does need to go under the LED light. For some reason, it makes it become very tacky. I'm not sure how that works, but it does work, and I just put it under for 30 seconds. The easiest step for me is this step, which is just placing the dual form with the poly gel on top of your natural nail and just making sure it's not too close to your cuticle or too far away from your cuticle, and just simply cleaning it up to ensure no poly gel is sticking out of the dual form. It is very important to smooth out the back of the nail so it doesn't become very thick and it looks very natural. And putting it under the LED light and just curing it. I do this for 60 seconds just to make sure. To ensure that the back of the nails also cure, I will be putting those under the LED light for 60 seconds as well. This is honestly my favorite part. It is so satisfying to watch and just to do it on your own. I love it. Look at how smooth this looks. It looks like I got them professionally done. Well, maybe not yet because I still need to file them, but you get the point. Also, I was having a hard time trying to take off one of the dual forms. Typically this happens if I didn't let it cure for long enough, so I just put it under the light and that worked, and it just helped and made it easier for me just to pop it off, and voila! They will be sticky after you're done removing the forms, but with the clear solution, you can get rid of that stickiness and then start to file your nails and shape them to exactly how you want them to look. Next, I am putting some of the clear solution again, and this is just to remove the powder that was created from me filing my nails and just to make it easier to apply the top coat. I ended up applying 2 coats of the top coat, not because I felt like I needed it, but I just wanted to be extra careful and make sure that they looked super cute and shiny. After I just applied the nails under the LED light for 60 seconds or until they don't feel tacky anymore, but typically it's 60 seconds or even less. And last but not least, of course, we have to take care of our cuticles. So all I'm doing is applying some oil and massaging it in just to make them look healthy again. And this is how they turned out. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the notification bell, comment below any future video suggestions. Also like this video to help me get some views, you know. But until next time, goodbye.